Hello student, yesterday we have discussed regarding shadow. So how the shadow form and what types of images formed by the shadow or object. So now today we will discuss the types of image or image of an object. So there are two types of images that can be formed with the light. The first one is real images and the second one is virtual images. So real images, what is real image? The real image which can be obtained on a screen is called real image. For example, like the image formed on a cinema screen is an example of real image because it formed on the screen. Okay. Now come to the real image can be formed on a screen because light rays actually pass through it. So when the light pass through the object and forming an image on the screen, that image is called real image. The real image can be formed by a curved mirror. Okay. Now examples are real images. We can see the examples are the image formed on a cinema screen is a real image. Even we can say the shadow formed by an object or formed by the light with the help of the light. Object की जितनी भी shadows form होती है जो on the screen, that is also an example of real image because the image is formed on the screen. Now come to the virtual image. So the image which cannot be obtained on a screen is called virtual image. So our image, or we can say that the image which cannot be obtained on the screen पे जो obtained ना हो, that is called virtual image. The virtual image can be seen only by looking into a mirror. So the image formed by a mirror, or we can say when object is kept in the front of the mirror and we can see on the mirror, that image is called virtual image. The image, for example, like that the image of our body formed by a plane mirror cannot be received on a screen. So the image cannot be received on a screen, it can be seen only by looking into a mirror. This is also example of virtual image. So our image in a plane mirror is an example of virtual. Even whenever we get up to ready to went to the school or to come for the school, what we firstly ready and look at into the mirror. So what the image is formed on the mirror, that is called a virtual image. And the virtual image is formed when light rays coming from an object appear to meet after reflection from the mirror. So it's necessary for the virtual image, it comes from the light or from the object insect or in like it's come from the object incident on a screen or on a mirror and reflect back. So image formed by the reflection of this mirror, that is called virtual image. So this is an example of virtual image, like the image formed in a plane mirror is an example of virtual image. So thank you today. So these are the two main difference between so we can see that the main difference between the virtual or real is that the real image always form on a screen. Okay, but if I'm talking about the virtual image is not forming on the screen, it is formed on the mirror. So this is the main difference between the real image and virtual image. Thank you so much.